open any browsers to type like that, and first URL type, you can see asus.com, just click on it. Then this is your laptop, just click on it. After that, click on support, then click on driver, select OS, scroll down, find out graphic driver. So this is graphic X, show more. So this is a NVIDIA graphic driver, this is also NVIDIA graphic driver, NVIDIA, and display HDR also there, AMD driver graphic also there. Okay, so all graphic driver installations process same. Okay, so I show you how to install. Okay, you just require this, just click on download, so it will start downloading in the download box. It is totally depend about your internet speed. Then it is completed, just single click to open. Then click on yes. Then okay, next, I agree, next, install, next, install. Now this is installing the driver of graphic driver. And if you install any other one, other graphic driver, AMD, now this is installing. If you install the NVIDIA graphic driver, so you can install the process, it is same. Then it is completed, then restart your system. You can restart later.